Here we go for this video. It's a Tonka ramp hoist truck. Very desirable piece for most Tonka collectors. Good shape. It rolls all the way back. Works pretty good, you know. The Tonka guys love these things. They're hard to find, and when they are found, they're expensive. I've had a couple guys approach me about buying this truck, and I've even put it online for sale, but for some reason, some guys want you to just give the toy to them, and I know what it's worth. And don't we all hate these guys that approach you about buying a toy, but they don't want to give you what you're asking. They want to give you about half or a third of it, and it just drives you crazy, you know. They know what it's worth. But there again, I hope you enjoy watching this video of the Tonka hoist truck. Thanks. Bye.